Hi everyone. Just wanted to share a few things with you all. Considering what's happening in the world and the way people are reacting to what's happening in the world. 2020 has been a catastrophic year for all of us. Physical level पे बोलिए या mental level पे, people are going through misery, hell. And just a few things that I feel from deep down that I want to share with all of you all. I think because of what's happened and what's happening around us, physical level pe, mental level pe, emotional level pe, spiritual level pe, all of us are getting so badly hit. And everybody's reaction to this is different. All our reactions are as per our, our upbringing, our environment. A lot of us put up a very strong front. हम दिखाते हैं कि हम लोग बहुत ही मजबूत हैं और लेकिन हम सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं अंदर से we are insecure in some way. We have our weaknesses. We have a lot of stories untold. However much success, however much money we may have, fame, but all of us need moral support. All of us need a hug. All of us need love. All of us need patient hearing कि कोई हमारी बातें सुने, हमको जज नहीं करे. Because of social media, there's so much of trash, there's so much of nonsense that is circulating. I think we all need to be a little empathetic. I think we need to have some amount of empathy, some amount of compassion, love, sensitivity towards people, towards what could possibly be happening in their lives and we may not be aware of. आपके बाजू वाले के घर में कुछ हो रहा है और आपको पता नहीं है, लेकिन हम जज करते हैं कि अरे यार ये देखो कैसा बिहेव कर रहा है. We all have failures. We all have bad moments. That's life. उतार चढ़ाव, where there's day, there's night. We all know all of it. हम सबको ये सब पता है, लेकिन जब एक्चुअली चीज़ें हमारे सामने होती है and then when depression takes over, we just don't know how to react. And I'll tell you, I have had these moments in my life. I've had my share of bad relationships. And I've had my share of utter depression in which I could have possibly done so many things to myself. But, there's something in you that says that life is beautiful and it's not worth it. It's वो मेरे माँ बाप जिन्होंने मुझे जब इतनी छोटी सी थी मैं तब से लेके अब तक इतना बड़ा किया है. Is it so important for me that they have to see my dead face? No, that stops me. There could be a better tomorrow. Maybe today is not the right time, but maybe tomorrow will be a better day. Maybe this is just a passing cloud. बहुत ज़रूरी होता है हम लोगों को ये सब सोचना, बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. उस वक्त हमारे सामने अगर there's somebody that we can talk to, we can pick up the phone and whom we can speak to, and we know that that person will not judge us. That person that I'm talking to does not have some preconceived notions about the way I'm behaving. maybe then that moment shall pass. When I'm about to do something, जब मैं कुछ गलत करना चाह रही हूँ मेरी ज़िंदगी के साथ, वो वीक मोमेंट में अगर मुझे कोई मिल जाए बात करने वाला या मेरा साथ देने वाला, that's why I always say that we need people around us. And if we don't have people around us, we don't have a family या kith and kin around us, अगर हमारे पास हमारी फैमिली हमारे दोस्त नहीं हो तो बनाओ. हम इतने बड़े नहीं हैं, हम इतने, ये ईगो जो हमको खाता है, ये ईगो जो जिसके वजह से हम लोग अपने आप का हम लोगों ने इतना हवा बनाया है. ओ माई गॉड आई एम ईशा कोप्पिकर, ओ माई गॉड आई एम XYZ, ओ माई गॉड आई एम सो मच, मैं किसी से बात क्यों करूं, पता नहीं वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे. उस चीज को हटा दो, उस ईगो को उसको हटा दो. ईगो इज गॉड अवे. यू आर ईजिंग गॉड अवे विद दैट ईगो. सो don't have that ego. You have to be like a child. I'm not saying be like that with everybody, but don't make such a big deal about yourself. However rich or famous or you could be a superstar, who cares? But at the end of the day, what really matters is those simple things in life. We all, basically all of us need the same thing. आप कितने भी अमीर हो जाओ, आपको दाल रोटी सब्जी चाहिए. आप कितने भी फेमस हो जाओ, you need patient hearing, you need love, you need hugs, you need somebody to talk to, somebody who doesn't judge you. Because the bigger you become, you know, the more you start feeling that people will judge you. So I don't know, I can just go on and on and on talking about mental health and about depression and about all these things. I think for starters, basic चीज़ यही है कि जितना हो सके अपने आजू बाजू लोग रखो जो आपको सुन सके, आपकी बातें सुन सके, जो आपको समझ सके. वो भले ही कोई एक या दो दोस्त ऐसे पक्के क्यों नहीं हो. Have people around. I'll be very honest with you. I don't have many friends in the film industry. I don't. They're all my working friends. But I have a lot of childhood friends. And ऐसे पक्के दोस्त जो एक फ़ोन कॉल पे आ जाए, वो रात के भले 2 बजे या 3 बजे क्यों नहीं हो. Make true friends. And stop all this social media shit. You know. Don't take it so seriously. सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो which needs to be ignored. Don't take things so seriously, my friends. Be happy. You know, this moment shall pass. There will be a rainbow on the other side, and there will be happy moments. All of us deserve happiness. And all of us deserve a chance. So don't think it's the end. And seek for help. Okay? There's a saying, God helps those who help themselves. So help yourself. Every time you need something, help yourself. Doesn't mean you have to end everything, and nothing is worth it. Nothing is worth ending your precious life. Love to you all. Lots and lots of positivity, lots of love. Take care. What's happening is very disturbing. What's happening around us is extremely disheartening. But take care, guys. Life is beautiful. You need to believe that. And you are beautiful. You're a special, beautiful soul that God has created. So, live the purpose that you're born for. Don't just end it. Fight it. Be a fighter.